Hey everyone! Ready to test your 2000s tech knowledge? From flip phones to pixel pets, we are diving into the gadgets that defined an era. Let's see if you can guess these retro relics before the energy hits too hard. Let's go! 1. This flip phone was so thin, it made paper jealous. Name it. B. Motorola Razr. 2. Before Spotify, we carried music in this brick. What's its name? A. iPod Classic. 3. Dual screens, touch controls, and a stylus. No, it's not your smartphone. A. Nintendo DS. 4. This gadget let you text like a pro with a tiny keyboard. Bonus, it caused BlackBerry thumb. C. BlackBerry Pearl. 5. Portable gaming with UMD discs. Forget downloads, this was the OG. A. Sony PSP. 6. Raised a pixel pet before it was a TikTok trend. What gadget kept you up at night? B. Tamagotchi connection. 7. The OG selfie cam, but you had to flip it first. Name this clamshell. C. Sony Ericsson T610. 8. Streamed music? Nah, we burned CDs for our cars. What gadget did this? B. CD burner. 9. This gadget was the Fitbit of the 2000s if Fitbit only counted steps. B. Pedometer. 10. The Netflix and chill of 2005 required this blockbuster gadget. What was it? A. DVD player. 11. This MP3 player was not an iPod. Microsoft's cool attempt. Name it. C. Zune. 12. Your first smart device, and it could barely handle contacts. What was it? C. Palm Pilot. 13. A camera so chunky, it doubled as a workout weight. Name this 2000s relic. C. Canon PowerShot. 14. The original viral dance gadget. Spin it to play music. B. iPod click wheel. 15. Before FaceTime, we video called on this not so sleek phone. Name it. A. Nokia N95. 16. This handheld made you feel like a spy until the stylus got lost. What was it? B. Nintendo DS. 17. The Kindle of 2004, but for checks notes. PDA apps. A. HP iPac. 18. This gadget was the GoPro before extreme sports went viral. Name it. A. Flip video camera. 19. A phone with a swivel keyboard. Because sliding was too mainstream. C. Sidekick. 20. Your music library fit in this peanut-shaped gadget. What was it? B. iPod Shuffle. 21. This smartwatch of the 2000s only told time and maybe the date. C. Casio calculator watch. 22. Before Uber, this gadget told you where to go and started fights. Name it. A. Garmin GPS. 23. A gaming console that doubled as a doorstop. What was this brick? A. Original Xbox. 24. This phone had a built-in camera and everyone gasped. Name it. C. Sony Ericsson K750i. 25. The TikTok duet of 2006, sharing songs via infrared. What gadget? B. Nokia 3310. 26. This gadget made you feel like a DJ with 10 preloaded tracks. Name it. C. Sony Walkman MP3. 27. The iPad before iPads, but it ran on Windows CE. What was it? B. Dell Axim. 28. A phone with a slide-out keyboard and emoji before they were cool. Name it. B. LG Chocolate. 29. This gadget's battery died in 2 hours, but we loved it anyway. Name it. A. Game Boy Advance SP. 30. The Ring doorbell of the 2000s, if it only took 0.3 MP photos. Name it. C. Flip phone camera. And that's a wrap. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more throwback fun. Until next time, keep your chargers close and your energy closer. Peace out.